So very good morning to you all. So class 6. Today we are going to start methods of cultivation. In the previous video we have read about organic and conventional differences of organic and conventional farming, and we have read about organic farming also. So today we will start methods of cultivation. So let's start. So the following methods of rice cultivation are practiced in India. So if you see the rice cultivation, how we used to practice rice cultivation in India, these are the following methods of cultivating rice. First is broadcasting method or scattering method. So broadcasting method or scattering method is what? Let's read it and understand it. This method involves showing of seeds by sprinkling them all over the field by hands. So basically you have seen many of the farmers in your village also, they used to take all the seeds in their hand and they throw it in the field. They sprinkle it all over the field. So this type of method is being used to for the cultivation of rice, and this is called as broadcasting method or scattering method. This method is generally used to show inferior quality of seeds, hence the yield is low. So in that type of method, what we use inferior quality of seed. Inferior means not cheap quality, not very good. So inferior quality type seeds are used, and the quality of seed is not good, so the production is also low, the yield is also low. So this is broadcasting method or scattering method. Let's move to the next. Okay, now in this page you can see this is the subdivisions of agricultural activities. So different kinds of cultivation that is given here. So here you can see different kinds of cultivation. Here horticulture is there, agriculture is there, sericulture is there, viticulture is there, pisciculture is there. So one by one we will read about these things also. So horticulture means growing vegetable, flower and fruits for commercial use. So growing vegetable and fruits, flowers, this comes under horticulture. Now next is agriculture. Agriculture means what? Cultivation of soil, growing crops, rearing livestock. That we have already read. And agriculture is what? Growing crops and rearing livestock. Now the next one is sericulture. Sericulture is rearing of silkworm to extract silk. So silk cloths, you have seen silk cloths, silk sarees and all that. So that silk, the fibers of silk are being extracted from a worm that is called as silkworm, and rearing of that silkworm is called as sericulture. Next is cultivation of grapes called as viticulture. So grapes cultivation comes under viticulture. Now pisciculture is rearing or breeding of fish. Fish breeding is also called as pisciculture. So these are the different kinds of cultivation.